Hello everybody and welcome to another non-chronological video. This is something I did yesterday and it's actually the culmination of my 3.5-week trip in northern Florida and Georgia and Alabama. And this is something I did yesterday. I went back to Cape Canaveral to witness the launching of the SpaceX rocket which took supplies to the International Space Station. And not only the coolest part was actually not the going up, but actually the rocket lands itself back down on the ground, and that's mind-blowing. Anyway, without further preamble, here's the video.
I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV.
I'm taking the dreaded turnpike, which, as you know, I don't really like to take, but in this case it's justifiable. I want to get there on time. I don't want to be late for this. And the turnpike, yeah, it's a couple of minutes faster, and I forgot to have breakfast, so I might be able to go to the service plaza and just grab something real quick.
I
arrive 3 hours later, and soon after we depart towards Cape Canaveral, which is an extra hour drive. I'm going with Bob and Cheryl. You'll meet them on this Sunday's video, and their daughter Jenny and her husband Omar, who happens to be of Cuban descent like me. Anyways, Jenny works at the Kennedy Space Center, so we are getting the VIP treatment here. There's the VAB, which stands for Vehicle Assembly Building. It is actually a lot larger than it looks from far away. And it is actually one of the largest buildings in the world when it comes to volume, and the largest single-story building in the whole world. It is 526 feet tall.
So inside the VAB is the mobile launcher. The mobile launcher is what's going to bring the vehicle out to the pad and launch off of. So whenever you hear the mobile launcher, right now it's in the VAB, but it crawls on the crawler over to the pad.
They got a detail.
And then you can see where
And you can see each platform that they work on, each floor. You can count how many platforms on just that bay alone, and that's not the full building.
Wow.
But when you go on the bus tour, it takes you into the LCC and you get to walk through some of the firing groups.
Let's go on to the causeway to witness the main event here. And this is, by the way, only a preview. I will make a much more detailed video when I publish this as part of the whole trip.
Well, here we are. It's kind of windy, but there we have the VAB. And if we look to the right, that's our rocket right there. Thank you, Jenny.
You're welcome.
Well, here we are, and I hope you can hear me because it is kind of windy. There's Jenny, there's Omar, Bob, Cheryl. Here we are waiting for. Yeah, it is very cold and windy here. I don't know what's going on.
Are we still in Florida?
Yeah, we are. I'm glad you lent me this jacket because otherwise it was gonna be an uncomfortable.
Yeah, that's a good jacket. Look what it says right there.
Yeah, U.S. Air Force. Well, we gotta wait an hour and a half, and then we'll see this firecracker go up.
Oh wait, that's not it. Let me tell you, not as many people as I expected.
T-5.
Come on, Jedi, go!
Fly, Falcon.
Oh, wow.
That's their next business.
Plus the wind is probably there. Oh my god.
Should see a stage celebration pretty
Goodbye, mice. Enjoy the Budweiser.
All right.
Usually they angle a little bit, yeah.
There it is. Oh, there you go.
There you go. Yeah, it's angling that way. Smoke going.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we should see them starting to come down, and then they'll flames should start again here. Yeah, it's just a little burst of flame.
Right on the pad. Get good.
Oh, that's awesome. It's just free falling.
Yep.
Yeah. There's a sonic boom. That's just crazy. Well, definitely worth the 3-hour drive, let me tell you. Actually, the landing was almost as impressive, if not more impressive than the takeoff. That was really cool. Amazing technology. Now let's find the car.